Hey, hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Today I'm going to be showing you what I ate in a day recently. More carbs equals slimmer waist. That's the name of the video. And I did a workout fasted at around 10 a.m. and that's typical for me around 10 or 11 a.m. Today was a little bit earlier than normal, so I ended up breaking my fast at noon, and I'll show you what I ate. But I just have a few clips here from my workout. I did a set of pull-ups, a set of jump squats, and a set of push-ups, and I just did 2 rounds of that. So right now I'm strength training 2 to 3 days a week, and I'm running 2 to 3 days a week. Keeping the workouts pretty simple but very effective. You don't need any weights to stay really fit. And again, I ended up breaking my fast at noon on this day. It was a smoothie, and in the smoothie I had 3 dates. I had 2 cups of frozen blueberries. I had 1 cup of coconut water, 1 cup of almond milk, and 5 frozen ripe bananas. And I let the bananas get nice and ripe. I throw them in the freezer with the skin on, and then what I do is to defrost them, I throw them in a tub of water, hot water, for about 4 minutes, and they defrost, and it has a really good consistency. So that's how I started out my first meal at noon on this day. Blended it up in the Vitamix, and it made about a liter and a half or so. Super delicious smoothie. Try that out. Then at 5:30 p.m. I had my second meal. It was a watermelon, a mini watermelon. Ate the whole thing. Super delicious and hydrating. And then at 6:30 I made a big salad. It had greens, cucumber, apple, carrots, tomatoes, avocado, and a little bit of noodle salad on the side of it. That was a really good way to start off the dinner. And then after the salad, I had some veggie Indian dish over rice with garlic naan, and that was at 7 p.m. So that was it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook. It's in the description box if you want some great recipes I eat regularly. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Subscribe for more videos. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.